Let's get you the reaction coming in from Congress Chief Mallikarjun Kharge on the Prime Minister's attack at the Congress. Kharge has said that a person who loses courage and has no issue to talk about comes up with such issues and things. Now, in fact, Mallikarjun Kharge has said that if there was something concrete, the Prime Minister would have spoken about food security, about Manrega. But he has nothing to say, and that's why he's constantly criticizing the Congress. Remember that India Today had also told you that reportedly Kharge has sought a meeting with Prime Minister Modi to present the Congress manifesto to him to clear the air about what really the Congress's manifesto says.
जो आदमी अपनी हिम्मत खो लेता है और जिसके पास बोलने के लिए कुछ मुद्दे नहीं हैं तो ऐसी चीजें लाते हैं। अगर उनके पास उनके ठोस मुद्दे हैं, ठोस काम हैं, वो बता सकते हैं जो जनता के भलाई के लिए और सबके लिए है। तो उनके पास कुछ नहीं बोलने के लिए वो हमेशा कांग्रेस को टीका करते हैं या अपोजिशन, और खास करके आजकल तो ये बोल रहे हैं कि इंडिया गठबंधन वहाँ कुछ भी नहीं है, कोई लीडर नहीं है। अरे लीडर गठबंधन में लीडर पैदा होता है बाद में, पहले ही थोड़ा ही करते हैं, कभी भी ऐसा नहीं हुआ।
Let's bring in Rahul Gautam on this broadcast who tracks the Congress for us. Rahul, first reaction coming in from Mallikarjun Kharge, where he's completely dismissed the Prime Minister's claims on the Congress manifesto. But the Congress does face a challenge here in the sense that now you've got the Prime Minister in every rally talking about how the Congress plans to go ahead and take away women's wealth, to take away people's wealth and redistribute it. So how is the Congress planning to counter that narrative?
Well, Congress party clearly understands that, if not well countered, the narrative that Prime Minister is trying to create, it is actually going to hamper the electoral prospects of the Grand Old Party in the upcoming phases. So therefore, they're trying to reverse the tide, they're trying to turn the tables, and they're trying to put the onus on Prime Minister Narendra Modi to prove whatever he said, that it actually exists in the manifesto copy of Congress party. Because as far as Congress party is concerned, whatever PM and BJP leaders are now saying about Congress manifesto, that we're going to redistribute wealth after taking wealth from the common citizens of the country, that's just not part of the Congress manifesto, and therefore they are trying to counter that narrative. And in the same context, as we speak, right now I am standing outside the Election Commission of India, where a delegation of Congress party is meeting with the Election Commission officials and officially lodging a complaint about Prime Minister's speech. In fact, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge described that particular speech as a hate speech, saying that this is nothing but a diversion in tactics on the part of the BJP leaders, given the fact that that they're rattled after the first phase of polling, and that's why they are doing so. Also, I must tell our viewers that Mallikarjun Kharge has also sought an appointment from Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and he's likely to give a copy of manifesto to PM Modi.
Let's
and
see
to convince
if that meeting actually happens. Thanks very much, Rahul, for those details.